once again.
What's up, y'all? Welcome back to my channel. Hope all is well. Alright, y'all, so today I have a quick weave closure wig that we are making. I had a lot of fun doing this video. It was the day or two before my birthday. My birthday is January 24th. So I was definitely getting, you know, a little turn recording this video. I got a couple surprises for y'all throughout the video. Y'all know me and my little what y'all call them, bloopers and everything. Yeah, I just got on a shower cap, a little small size shower cap that fits my head perfectly, but wouldn't be well to use in the shower. With a flush tone cap. Here's my closure. This closure was old. It was about 2 years old, but I just seen some videos on YouTube. I was on YouTube for the day and kept seeing these videos, so I just decided, like, what the hell, you know, I had some hair in the closet, let's do it. The hair is longer on one side compared to the other. I was showing y'all a couple seconds ago how I actually had it as a side part sew-in, I think. So yeah, stay tuned for, you know, the quick weave wig. Y'all, I do have to say really quick, that damn shower cap was hurting my fucking head. Y'all, so it's so funny. I'm obsessed with that Cardi B and City Girl song Twerk, so that I'm like singing that throughout the damn near entire video. Before I edited this video, it was probably like an hour and 30 minutes, so imagine how many times I listened to that song. Y'all should count how many times I stick my damn tongue out in this video. Y'all, so I'm fucking myself up spraying this spritz. I don't even know why I was spraying spritz on my head, like I was doing a regular quick weave anyway. Tweaking my fucking ass off, probably high. Like I said, it was about my birthday, so I was drunk. So this the closure I used. I already put some foundation or concealer or some shit like that in the middle. And just, you know, placing it where I want it to be put. I can't talk today. When y'all putting this glue on y'all closure, make sure y'all putting it on the rim of it. I'm gonna show y'all where I put mine at, not anywhere near the hair, but usually the part where you would sew it. That way you can reuse your closure. I know y'all like, this bitch is crazy, she putting glue on her closure, what the fuck. Yeah, y'all can still reuse it. Me though, I get a lot of hair, so it really, like I said, this hair was super old anyway, so it doesn't matter that I put glue on it. Disclaimer, y'all, this was hard to tell. Putting this closure on was hard as hell to me. It's a part in this video where I actually take it off and actually re-glue it. I think that you should put this closure on one piece at a time, like you were doing a frontal, one side at a time. If not, it's gonna get messy, one, and two, like, it's gonna take y'all forever. I think to put this frontal on alone, it took me like 30-40 minutes or so. Like, you see, I just took it out now. I was irritated. I was gonna stop. Oh, got some clips. And that low-key didn't help though.
On the
Y'all, so at this point in the video, I am about almost done making my wig. I'm laying the last track. Again, like I told y'all in my last video, it's nothing but measure cut glue. And yeah, so I just brushed out the closure really well. Like I said, it was one side longer than the other because I did use it for our previous wig. I just went ahead and added some of my mousse or my setting lotion down to the top of my closure, and just getting my part set. And I'm gonna leave it on my head for like maybe 5 or 10 minutes just so all of the excess glue can dry, so that way when I rip it apart, rip it off of that shower cap, it'll just be seamless. Yeah, so you see me just adding a little more. It laid flat to me. Like, I did not think this wig was gonna come out as natural looking as it did. Like I said, I was experimenting. I had seen a couple videos. Look at this. I straightened it out, blow dried it out, and it looks really, really natural. Like, what the hell was going off my head dang there. And I kind of liked how that end was shorter. I cut it to frame my face a little. I don't know if you guys could see the layers back there. I know I was moving a little fast. I was kind of excited. But yeah, tell me what y'all think about this wig. I know I ended up cutting some more and thinning it out a little more because I did tell y'all how those ends were. But this is the finished look. Look, y'all, I used my waver, my big head waver, and I feel like this look was bomb as fuck. Like, this wig I killed, I believe. Let me know what y'all think about it down below. I hope that I can give y'all all of the answers for this quick weave closure wig. Again, like, comment, and subscribe. I appreciate all you ladies and gents watching my video today. Much love, and see you guys next time.
I'm gonna do, like, if you guys want, I guess I should say, I can do a video on how I choose waves and everything, how I truck my clothes. I just got the baby, I did the baby hair just because of, like, the way, like, you know, that was my real life.
Okay, y'all, just one more thing, my PS. I did include like a little short video at the end, of course, to my favorite fucking song, but at the end just to how it turned out with my eyebrows and my lashes on. So hope you guys enjoyed the video. Thanks again. Do it, baby, stick it, baby, move it, baby, lick it, baby, suck up on that, cut into that pussy, get a hickey, baby.